All right, as we get ready to leave the dock, half the boats or so have gone or more. A festive atmosphere here at Chicago Yacht Club. Mackinac staffer and multi-hull aficionado Ron White. How you doing, brother?
Great.
Great turnout.
Yeah, outstanding.
350 boats ish.
350-ish. I think I actually didn't ask yesterday, but I think we ended up with about 344 maybe that are going to make the starting line.
Right on. A little bit soft on multi-hulls, 10 boats.
Yeah.
Why? I'm surprised, really.
I am too, although last year with the huge turnout,
Sure.
I think people just spent the money and we kind of, they shot their wad, so to speak. So I've already been hearing from guys that are planning to come next year, so
Great.
hopefully we'll build back on it a little bit.
Great. Any new mods to the Cheeky Monkey this year?
Well, it's covered up, but yeah, we can tweak our mast rake a little bit now.
But you don't cant anymore, right?
We do.
Oh, you do?
We can't, and we adjust rake.
Oh boy, they do everything, and they're faster than us, so it's going to be hard to catch them. But
we hope so.
Yeah, but you're not going all the way around, are you?
Yes,
oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Yes, we are.
There are 3 multi-hulls in the Super Mac.
We do have our truck and trailer Sherpa on standby, though. We don't feel like we have to prove anything.
And you know what? I think the infuriating part is going to be if we're all drifting around on Wednesday and these guys start motoring by us going to Port Huron.
Yeah,
that'll be a problem.
No, what's going to happen is we're going to get up there and turn right and start heading south, and it's going to be 25 on the nose.
At least we'll still go fast.
Yeah, that's true.
Won't go in the right direction. We'll go fast.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, hey, great job organizing another turnout.
Thank you.
And I don't know, anything you want to say to the people that are watching?
Don't know what to say. Just track us on iBoat Tracker, and if you see us out there parked for a real long time, call the Coast Guard.
All right,
and we're going to keep it sunny side up.
I think you will.
Yeah,
this
we
time.
will.
Yeah.
We will this time.
All right, Ron. Good luck, man.
Thanks.